There's so many ways of using your water, and today I'm going to show you the simplest way to boil your water. To start off, you're going to have one jar of water, plain water, some ice cubes, your tongs, and your crater, a pan, and a cooking pot. I'm going to start off by lighting up my stove. I'll start off by spicing it. Turn on the flames on the pot. Add in our main ingredient. Set your jar aside. And now your pot should be bigger than the amount of water in your jug, so that you can give it a boiling space. So also don't forget to cover it up. In my pan, I'm gonna fry a little bit of my next ingredient. At this point, you have to be careful not to burn yourself and not to drop your clear ingredient. Be careful not to break them until all your crystal-like ingredients, they are all melted. Mine has started forming mini water droplets. That means my water temperature is rising. I'm gonna go back on my pan, and my crystal-like ingredients has already mixed up well. I'm gonna add it to my pot. At this point, you have to be careful because in your pot it's getting more and more hotter inside. As you can see, many tiny bubbles have started forming below my pan. I'm gonna add in my then don't forget to switch off your flame. I'm gonna wait for 2 more minutes for it to come to its boiling point, which is 100 degrees. My 2 minutes are done. Come take a look with me. And my water is vigorously boiling. I'm gonna cover my pot and switch off the flame. Ta-da! And that's how simple it is to boil water. Adios!